We participated in the NSF-Funded I-Corps program to assist us with the development of a Wellness Council for North Carolina. Our vision is that the Wellness Council of North Carolina is an objective resource for health promotion in the workplace, and that the council is leading efforts to support healthy employees, healthy families, and healthy communities across the state. Our I-Corps team is made up of Gracie Lee Weaver, Dan Bebo, and Ryan Picarella. We came together because we are all dedicated to promoting health and well-being in the workplace. Our goal is to serve employers of all sizes and industries throughout the state to help enhance a culture of wellness that impacts businesses' bottom line. We want to provide local support for businesses that are implementing employee wellness programs. That support would incorporate all 7 of the employee wellness benchmarks which were developed by the Wellness Council of America. There are a number of local wellness councils across the country, but one has not been present in North Carolina since the early 2000s. We have been able to come up with a scope of practice and potential structures for funding based upon how other councils have been set up and sustained. Through the I-Corps process, we conducted a number of interviews with local businesses and champions for wellness. We learned that our primary customers may be larger organizations or those with a person specifically dedicated to leading their employee wellness programs. We also learned that those implementing wellness programs are in need of opportunities to enhance social support and innovative ideas, as well as evaluation and communicating those value propositions within the organization. We also talked with service providers in the state who were also interested in getting assistance with research and evaluation. These interviews helped us come up with an outline of resources and services that we would provide. We also see our scope eventually encompassing 3 main areas: education, research, and practice. Our next step is to continue exploration of the revenue streams, levels of membership or sponsorship, and the most pressing needs to fulfill for our primary customer base.